Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. Up first, you would have seen our very special guest this week, Michael from Michael's Making Art. He's absolutely awesome. Fantastic guy. So, if you missed him, please go check him out, show him some love. He's just phenomenal. So, after me, we've got Christy from Creations by Christy. Then Shannon from Shamby Fluid Art, and last but not least, Bubbles from venomfluidart. So stick around, enjoy the ride. So this week, I'm just having a bit of a play day. So we've got this fancy looking bloom, and I'm going to do maybe a little modified ribbon pour and something else. So kick back, relax, enjoy the ride. I'll see you at the end.
We've been hiding in the shadows. We've been biding our time. We've been running from the devil, just trying to make it out alive. We don't have to run, be afraid no more. When the thunder comes, we won't fear the storm. Can you hear the drums beating louder than before? This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. Feel it rising up within us, getting stronger now. No one left to avenge us, but we will never back down. We don't have to run, be afraid no more. When the thunder comes, we won't fear the storm. Can you hear the drums beating louder than before? This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. Oh, how the mighty have fallen. Oh, like stars from the sky. Oh, can you hear us calling? Oh, this is a battle cry. This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. This means war. This means war. calling you, calling me, written in stone upon tablets that fade away. But we will remain. Oh, look what we've done, the wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but don't go down. I want it all, I want it all. So long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I'll wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd, saying King, King, King. Long live the kingdoms will fall to mine is the only one, written in stars like a sign of glory to come. Come. Oh, look what we've done, the wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but we won't go down. I want it all, I want it all. Long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, about me. Sometimes a legend is hard to believe. Yeah, I'll show you just how true they can be. Let's raise a glass to the king. Long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd, saying king, king, king. Long live the king, king, king. Long live the king. Legend as if we could be legends, etched in the stone, forever on thrones. History's made in the moments. Heroes collide, it's all on the line with our backs against the wall. We came to fight. We came to take what was meant to be ours. There's no place to hide. Yeah, it's written all over the stars. Nothing will stop us against all the odds. But just like we promised, we came to fight, fight, fight. Yeah, we came to fight. Legend has it we could be legends, etched in the stone, forever on thrones. Histories made in the moments. Heroes collide, it's all on the line with our backs against the wall. We came to fight. We came to take what was meant to be ours. There's no place to hide. Yeah, it's written all over the stars. Nothing will stop us against all the odds, but just like we promised, we came to fight, fight, fight. Yeah, we came to fight, fight, fight. Yeah, we came to fight. Circle our victims like lions. You fear I can smell, you're afraid I can tell. We're made to be more than just human, born to defend. Yeah, we're aimed to the end with their backs against the wall. We came to fight. We came to take what was meant to be ours. There's no place to hide. Yeah, it's written all over the stars. Nothing will stop us against all the odds, but just like we promised, we came to fight, fight, fight. Yeah, we came to fight, fight, fight. Yeah, we came to fight. We'll be remembered for this. They'll tell our stories of battles and glories, the ones that will.
Alright guys, we'll do a flyover of that one. Man, that just turned out absolutely awesome. I love that. Surprised myself actually. Love it. Alright, up next we've got Christy from Creations by Christy. So click on the name, the title of the video, it'll take you to a channel. If you're in the live chat, click on the link that I put in there. It'll take you to her premiere for today. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart on Facebook, just use the play all list, that way you get to see everybody on the Express, one after another, and you never get lost. Thanks again Michael for being our very special guest this week. We really appreciate it. There's a link in the description. Go check him out guys. You'll absolutely love him. So, thank you again Mick. Alright, that's it from me. So have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
We